Smith Plumbing and Heating specializes in quality work for your plumbing system. We cover every facet of plumbing service including plumbing maintenance, repair, replacement, and installation work. Each one of our technicians is expertly trained. Don't just take our word for it. Listen to what our customers have to say about us. Jordan Israel says, Brian came out and fixed a natural gas leak at the water heater. He was very knowledgeable and friendly. I will absolutely be using Smith Plumbing and Heat again for service and maintenance on all my home systems. Lady Katy says, absolutely amazing. Pete was super helpful and Tyrone and Dathan did amazing work. Nate has also been very helpful with options and helping to explain what's been going on. Will recommend Smith for anything. So amazing and helpful. Cannot say more good words. Thank you. Rely on our professionals for your plumbing services. Schedule a service. Give us a call.